Ang hirap naman ng tanong na yan.
Kung meron kang panggastos worth 1 million pesos, anong gagawin mo? Anong una mong gagawin?
Tatalon ako.
Sa tuwa.
Hindi. Magdadive ako sa pera. Ganun. If you had 1 million pesos na nahulog sa langit, today ngayon mismo, anong gagawin mo? I think that it's important that you treat yourself. So, for me, I would treat myself by getting an item na sobrang gusto ko. For me, it would be a camera, a new camera, since content creator ako. I would allocate a portion of that to get that item that I really wanted, and I would treat my family. Pati na rin yung mga medyo cliche answer, pero syempre bibigyan ko rin siguro ng treat yung mga frontliners, yung mga lagi kong nakakasalamuha, mga guards, maintenance people.
Ako, magbibigay pa ako sa charity.
Nax, totoo ba yan?
Give.ph.
Totoo ba yan?
Oo.
Wala echos yan. Wow, ang bait.
Ikaw magbibigay ka sa frontliners eh.
Oo nga. Meron di ba? So, yeah. Tapos, after magbigay sa charity, anong gawin mo sa natitira? Sarili mo, bibigyan mo rin? Hindi.
Itatago ko na lang.
So, hindi mo titreat yung sarili mo? Ako, hindi mo titreat?
Siguro ikaw, yung family, ititreat din to somewhere.
For yourself, wala?
Wala
kang gusto?
Wala akong maisip na gusto ko.
Wow.
Milk tea, sige, ganyan.
Milk tea. Ako na lang titreat sa'yo ng milk tea.
Kaya ba?
Okay, so I think it's also important that you prioritize your needs. So assess mo kung ano yung mga kailangan mo ngayon. So ano ba yung basic needs? Food, clothing, shelter. And so kung yung tinitirhan mo ngayon, you're just renting, you may wanna invest the 1 million in getting your own place.
Pang down payment?
For 1 million, siguro pwede na siyang pang down payment sa bahay at lupa. And if you already own your own home, you may wanna use the 1 million to fix your house. You may wanna use it to renovate, have it repainted, have it refurnished. Yung
like,
ganun ba?
Bagong furniture, like sofa,
right.
And
new furniture, new sofa, new appliances. So if that were me, siguro I'd get a new TV para lang din may ma-enjoy ako na ito yung every time manonood ako ng TV, ito yung 1 million ko, di ba? May reminder ako. And it's something that I can enjoy. What else? Apart from
transportation,
clothing, food, clothing, transportation is also important. If you have an existing car, you may wanna use it to fix your car, or you may wanna get a new one. Siguro ako, I'd personally go for a second-hand car, mga 3 to 5-year-old car para may malaki yung bawas from the original price. Insurance.
Pwede rin.
Pwede mo siyang ipasok sa
life
insurance.
Na may kasamang investment sa mutual funds or bonds and stocks.
Right. So, yung may mga insurance instruments or insurance products na apart from giving you yung insurance component, halimbawa, na-aksidente ka or something happens to you, you get something back. They're gonna pay for your medical bills or death benefits. Yung money mo, invest din nila sa stocks or sa bonds so that it'll grow. Then after X number of years, you'll be able to get like a pension. So ganun din yung mga college funds. you enter a certain amount. So, 1 million, malaki na to for insurance. And ang example doon, pwede mo siya ipasok ngayon, then after 10 to 15 years, yung kid mo nag-aaral na, you can get, just an example, siguro 30K per month to augment yung education nung anak mo or whoever your, kung sino man yung pinapaaral mo. So, what else? Business is also an option. Ang uso ngayon, yung food, di ba? Food and drinks kasi hindi tayo masyado nakakalabas during pandemic. So, pwedeng baked goods kung mahilig ka mag-bake. Pwedeng ulam kung magaling ka magluto ng ulam or drinks. Pwede rin namang hindi food, di ba? Pwede rin invest mo siya sa accessories, damit.
Basta yung pwedeng mabenta ngayong pandemic.
Gawa ka ng mask, face mask.
Pwede rin.
Hanap ka ng supplier, siguro you can create your own design. Or kung magaling ka ng magtahi, siguro...
Face shield. Pwede ikaw na gumawa.
Make your own, no? Tapos yun yung ibenta mo.
Pero anong silbi nung lahat ng yun kung hindi ka sasali dun sa Paymaya Aguinaldo?
Oo nga naman. So, paano nga ba sila makakasali? Paano sila magkakaroon ng 1 million pesos? Oo. By joining Paymaya's Paymaya Aguinaldo promo. Madali lang to, guys. All you have to do is take your cell phone and your mobile number. Look for the Paymaya app on Google Play or iOS. Install mo siya. And then you go through the sign-up process. As long as you have a SIM card, makakapag-sign up ka, go through the verification process. Then pag na-verify ka na, pwede mo na siyang loadan. Right?
And so you can earn raffle entries for every 100 peso purchase.
That's right. So personally, I use it to buy groceries sa Shopwise. The other day, bumili ako worth 500 pesos na groceries and I got 5 raffle entries. Oo. So ito siya. Ito yung message ko from Paymaya. So the grand draw for Paymaya Aguinaldo will be on January 13. Sana ako yon, yung manalo ng 1 million. At kung hindi man ako at napanood nyo to at nag-join kayo dahil sa amin, sana maalala nyo kami. And that concludes our video for today. This has been Kuya Den.
And this is Ate Kakay.
For Tech Kuya, please like, share, and subscribe kayo. Makakatulong po ito sa amin. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam! So let's say meron kang 1 million pesos that fell out of the sky. Anong gagawin mo?
Kukuha ako ng timba para pulutin yung mga 1 million.